There are so many possibilities to explore the Nordic Centre at Raven Lodge, and for those beginners eager to explore further, Mount Washington is offering a completely free beginner trail pass, rental, and lesson package for those aged 13 plus to try classic skiing during our Learn to Ski free week. Knowing what to expect and preparing ahead will set you up for a successful and fun day on snow. Always pre-book your lesson with us in advance over the phone, and on your lesson day, be prepared to be outside. This includes wearing a jacket, snow pants, toque, mitts, and warm socks, as these items cannot be rented. When you arrive for your cross-country ski lesson at Raven Lodge, follow the signs down the stairs or come around the building through these doors. This is where you'll check in, pick up your trail pass, and be fitted for your rental equipment. Lockers are available for rent, and we suggest taking a washroom and a water break before heading out to your lesson. Once you're all set, you'll head out through these doors to the lesson meeting area and get ready to learn some new skills. After your lesson, you'll be eager to get back out on snow. Mount Washington offers a number of return programs to continue your progression, including our Learn to Glide package. We're looking forward to welcoming all the fresh faces to the Nordic Centre, and have fun out there!